My name is Ben Weston. I'm the owner of Hoptown Handles, and we manufacture tap handles for craft breweries around the world. So when you walk into a bar and you see the decorative lineup of beautifully crafted tap handles, that's what we make. We've been in business since 2015, started in my garage. Now we occupy a 3,000 square foot warehouse, have 3 other employees other than myself. I used to be a lawyer, I used to be a teacher, and just had this as a hobby. I had moved to Portland, Oregon, met some friends that were home brewers. We put up kegerators in all of our garages, and I decided I wanted something cool on my kegerator to pour my beer. And just ended up really getting into the art form and realized that I had a passion for creating beautiful products.
It gives me an opportunity to continue my working with wood. That's a passion of mine. I've been doing it since I was 6 years old. I love it. The products we make, I enjoy making them because each one can be a challenge. I like being challenged as far as designing the processes of manufacturing it.
All our handles are made right here in the United States. We make the tap handles from beginning to end. We begin collaborating with our clients on designing the handles. Then once they make an order, we bring in the raw material, the hardwoods. We manufacture them out of sustainable materials like hardwood maple that's FSC certified. We cut it down to size, we shape it, we do all the processes to get it ready. Then we spray finishing coats on it. We use all water-based finishes that are low or no VOC, as well as we utilize UV printer to print directly on our handles, full color, photo quality printing that goes directly on the handle in durable ink. We laser engrave it, whatever it takes to get a beautiful handle for our clients. We have our line of stock handles, and then we also do fully custom handles. The stock handles, we have about 10 shapes. Pick a shape, and then we paint it, print it, customize it however you want. But then our fully custom handles, those are whatever you want. Many of the tap handles that you see out in bars and restaurants are made out of cast resin, which is a plastic. Ours are made out of wood and metal, materials that we specialize in. So if you take a cast resin handle, you drop it once or twice, it's gonna break.
We have a few unique processes that have been developed in-house for our inserts. A lot of tap handles become loose over time with the inserts. I can guarantee you ours will not.
Really, these are designed to last the test of time. We ship our tap handles all around the world. Most of our clients are here in the United States and Canada. We currently produce about 2,000 handles per month, but are looking to increase our ability to about 3,000 a month. Clackamas County has been a great location for us because it's very close to where I live. It's also easily accessible, easy to get in and out of, not a lot of traffic. I absolutely plan on keeping my business here in Clackamas County. There's a lot of room to grow. There are a lot of places that we can move to. Rental rates tend to be lower in Clackamas County than, say, in Multnomah County. It makes it a lot easier for a small business to grow. We love it here, and we have no intention of going anywhere else.